Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can link your Wattpad account with other social networks. So in here, I've already opened the Wattpad apps on my phone. And to start, you first going to click on your profile at the top right corner. Just tap on your photo, and then here this is your profile. Now go to the settings at the top right corner. Then in here, click on this profile and account settings. So under here, if you scroll down, there is this social networks option. So if you want to link your Wattpad accounts, for example here with Facebook, you can just click on this checkbox and just wait. Now Wattpad will direct you to this page, so you need to grant it access so that Facebook will interlink with Wattpad. So click on continue as your profile on Facebook and just wait. Okay, let's click on the check icon again. Okay, so now my Wattpad has been linked into Facebook. So that's pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.